It's not just about you, it's the person sitting next to you. And that's who we're trying to protect as well. And it's just something, again, I think everything that happens in today's world, it's almost 50-50 when you get into these types of environments or these types of decisions. And we're willing to make the tough decision. And we hope not to lose any Raider fans because they're the most important thing to us. Season ticket holders, people that purchase tickets that do not want to get vaccinated, can either roll their money over till next season. If they do that, they'll be rolling over 9 games because we had the 1 game already. So if they roll it over, they will get the 10-game package next year. So they won't have to pay for that extra game next year. If they ask for a full refund, which we're also offering, then they will get their full refund and then they'll pay full price next season for the 10 games. The fact that if you come to the game and you haven't had your vaccination, but you desire to go to the game and you decide to get the shot at the stadium, will help to get more people vaccinated.